this morning. We've done both shows that we wanted to do. You want to go in the play area, Jake? You've got to finish your chocolate banana. We are now going to do the animal-y bits of Animal Kingdom. So we did the safari yesterday, eventually. We're now going to probably watch this thing that's about to come past us. It's the band again. Does that mean we've missed the characters again? Wait, are we going to do the trail or are we going to do the tree? We're going to do the trek. Maharajah Jungle Trek. Is that where we see the gorillas? Do we see the gorillas at Gorilla Falls? Well, Kevin!
There you go. I just don't want her to turn and smack it with her tail.
So now we are headed for the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. I thought we were headed for the other one. Yeah. But it doesn't matter. We can do both.
Wow. It's going to be right through this covered bridge. Now we just keep going that way.
Yeah, that would have been amazing.
It's the inside of an anthill. That's cool. Anybody in here? Oh, I see them. They're up there. Very cute. Hello. I'm grooming. Hello. Chilling. Look, he's so cute. I am so sorry for that last clip that I just filmed. Go back and watch it again. Who's in here? Oh, Cappy. Oh, they're there. He's out at the back.
There's two.
Is there two? Where's the other one? Just one. He's pacing. I bet there's dinner behind there and he's like, I want it.
There's a female on the other side of that fence.
Ah, that'll do it. That's why you're interested in being over there, sir. We're going in the burbs. Look, you can smell them. You can smell the burbs. Oh, there's little things. Naked mole rat study burrow. Oh my goodness. What are they doing? Mole rat. It's Rufus. Woo! I feel like we're interrupting something. There's a snake in here. There's a snake in my boot. Are you sure there's a snake in here?
Yes, there is, yeah.
And it's not that one?
No, it's not that one, no.
Is it hidden? Is that why?
It's very hidden. You can see its face just there.
Oh! Peekaboo!
You can see a little trail.
Peekaboo! I see you. This one doesn't need to hide because it's just massive. Where's your head, friend? Over there.
It's not very long, but it's very thick.
Thicky.
Girthy boy.
Oh, look! His mouth ribbit. Birdhouse. Download the QR code to download the bird spotting guide. Pardon?
Well,
Bird.
That's exactly right.
Oh,
In all of Europe.
there you go.
oh, these are cute.
Oh, there's one here. On the floor.
I see it. I just need to move slowly, otherwise it goes out of focus like that. Hello. You're little. Seems to be quite exciting fish though. There seems to be a lot of people. There's a hippo. I didn't see a hippo. That's not a hippo. Oh, they're there. Off the water. There's two.
Right here.
Moto likes you.
I like a big. I like a chunky.
Oh, my friends. Swimming. Well, I know it's big. You got a big bum. A fish just swam straight into my shot. Do not let him lick you, Jake. Oh my god, I thought he was climbing straight over your hand then. This is Zebra. Hey Zebra. Hi. He's eating. Look. Aren't they cute?
This is just like that.
They're so cute. Some zebra up there as well. They fell out with each other. They're eating from separate bags. Who's in here then?
Well, right now I'm the only primate over here.
Oh no.
The family is inside having a little cool down time.
I don't blame them.
On these hot days, the keepers leave their barn door open so they can go in or out if they choose. But there's another group of gorillas. If you go through the bridge, the silverbacks are on the other side.
And they're out.
Yeah, so
for
they'll
now.
be to the left side. Yeah.
You gotta take a picture in front of
So they may be
Okay.
in the shade, but they're over there.
Okie dokie. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you later. Bye.
So there's another group of girls that might be out here, she said, up and over the bridge. But they might be, she said they might be in the shade, but they might be out. Oh, this is one of the boys.
Yeah, this is, yep, exactly. This is one of our backstreets.
Big pig. The bachelorette.
He's chilling in the shade.
Yeah, he had a bunch of snacks, so now it's nap time.
Yes. He's there. There he is. He's just had lots to eat. And now he's having a little sleep.
He's gonna nap for a while. Yep, and he rocks and rolls.
We're having a quick snack. Don't tell Mom, because it's well, it's an hour and 15 minutes until our reservation starts. No, until we need to leave to get to our reservation that's in like 2.5 hours. But the cast member was busy doing something, and so I was waiting for a little bit, which is perfectly fine. But she apologised for the wait and gave me a discount because I've had to wait. That's cute. Which is nice. It is gluten-free, which is exciting. It's a rice cake with chocolate. Oh, we're actually gonna get on it. Is it gonna stay up? Oh, I don't think it's a 30-minute wait, not really. Not waiting all the way back here, it's not. It's almost like they're up high so that people don't touch them. We made it! I think it's been maybe half an hour? Maybe just under. We're getting on the ride!
Attention, Expedition Everest.
And we're in!
Once on board, secure all
We're in! Chug, 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 chug. There's the mountain.
It's a nice pleasant ride.
Yay! Nothing can stop us now. There could be any trouble. Hello! Hello, Dingo. on, high five. Yes. Look at all the adorable Yeti merchandise. Oh no. And into the jungle trek to finish our morning / afternoon Animal Kingdom. It's a dragon. Where's the dragon? Oh, there's the dragon. Isn't he cute? Chilling. You want to see the tigers? But you'd be lucky if the tigers are out. It's far too hot to be a tiger. Can we see anything? There's a cast member, which normally means there's a thing. Is there a thing? Who's in here?
So we do have some monkey species in here, but they're in the shade. Yeah, a lot of the animals, they'll be hanging out in the shade right now.
What's the likelihood that the tigers will be out?
She's gonna be underneath her bamboo bush that she hides underneath. Well, she sleeps underneath, but
Probably.
she sleeps about 18 hours a day. So, and she has access to go backstage to the air conditioning.
Okay. This is the bats. We saw bats yesterday. Those wishing to see the close-up of bats go this way. Bye, Jack. I see one. Oh, there's two just here. There's three. There's four. There's quite a few. Boot scooting, baby, driving, racing. Where are you going? Where are you going? We're going up here. Is this the tigers?
We rested the camera on a bin.
The lady said that the tigers, she might be hiding underneath her bamboo bush. Cannot see her. The cast member said that she might be hiding under one of her bamboo bushes because she likes to sleep underneath it. But I can't see her. There's a cast member up ahead, which might mean he's got eyes on her. But he might not. He might just be. He's just helping people get around. Oh, she's out. Yes.
She is. She's sleeping.
Oh, there she is.
This is our 11-year-old female tiger. Her name is Sony.
Hi, Sony.
She's a Sumatra tiger.
Yes.
Oh, that was a big stretch.
But it's a night one, so it's like a proper
Oh,
thing.
she's so sweet.
The good thing about her is that one of her stripes is in the shape of an S. So her name starts with an S, so it's easy to tell that it's Sony.
Oh.
Every tiger has a different set of stripes, just like our fingerprints. So no two tiger stripes are going to be the same.
Amazing. I see more cast members, which make me more animals. That'll be a no. Is this part of the tigers?
It is.
It is, but she's all the way back there.
Yeah. So she has a tunnel, and so to switch around her day, sometimes she'll use this one.
She'll chin, yeah.
Sometimes we just leave the tunnel open and she can walk around both.
Fair enough.
So we kind of switch it up on the day.
The jungle trek continues. Visitors with service animals go that way. Why?
Birds, I think.
Oh. What's in here? Well, they want to escape. Oh, they are birds. Hi. Hi, colourful pigeon. Put them all on there. Oh, this one looks cute. Just sitting. Birds. Kevin's back. Hey, Kevin. Gra, gra, gra. Hi. Gotta wait.
Morning. Well, this is our morning anyway. So we are having mummy daddy time. We're at Coronado Springs. I don't know why I've got it on a wonk. And we're going to the Sangria University, so we'll see how that goes, how messy we get. So we're at Coronado Springs. Been shown to our table. No idea what these are. This is like a jelly. That's liquid. That looks like lemon or juice or something. They've got a selection of accoutrements and some horrible green stuff and some chips, which we won't be eating. So bring on the sangria. So our sangrias have arrived. We've been told to sip them. I'm not sure if he knows us.
And what you might need to do is turn your phone the other way, because Abby's going to moan at you for videoing that way up. No, it's too late now. You've already started recording. It's been horribly wrong.
I know, but all the others
Maybe
I did
take
that
two.
way. So, take two. Our sangrias have arrived. And we've been told to sip them. And they will catch up with us in terms of actually telling us what they are sipping. So, there you go. Your dad's had his first sip. No idea what it was. What was
Melon.
it? What do you think it is?
That's melon.
Yeah. And that one?
White sangria.
White what?
Sangria.
Okay. Hope it's nicer than the one last night at Hoop De Doo. That one looks more like a real sangria.
Yeah. Quite fruity, full body. Raspberry.
Okay. Well, I need to stop recording now because I want to have a go.
Cheers.
Cheers. So, class is over and now we have to create our own sangria. And your dad is cheating by Googling recipes.
Researching. Not
He says
cheating.
it's researching.
Education.
I think it's cheating.
Research.
And if this was a real exam, you would fail.
No.
Yeah, you
Research.
would. No,
I'm
you
in
would
the
fail.
library. It's a reference library, and I'm researching, gathering knowledge.
No, definitely cheating.
No.
Don't think you should be doing it, but hey ho.
Hey, this one has pineapple
I'm
juice
making
in.
my own up in my own mind.
And this one has pineapple juice in.
Yeah, I'm making my own up in my own mind. You are cheating.
So I think we've both passed this university. Hopefully she'll give us the ratios that I can have a go at making this at home.
I'm guessing it's just a shot.
Well, it might have been quarter shot, half shot, we don't know, so we'll try and find out. But the Sangria University, yeah, pretty good. Enjoyed it. Cheers. So what makes a sangria?
What makes a sangria?
All the products have to be from Spain for an official sangria. It has to be a wine base of between 4 and 12%. Anything else that you throw into it, alcohol-wise, must also not exceed 12%.
And all of the things you throw into it have to be from Spain?
For an official one.
Including the oranges? Including the oranges?
Including the
Does
fruit.
Spain
And juices.
make a lot of oranges? Valencia oranges? Okay. What was your favourite sangria that you made?
Mine.
Or drank?
So she made...
Mine.
What did you throw in it?
Aperol.
Of course.
And
Triple sec.
triple sec, that was it.
Aperol, triple sec, and white wine.
So
No,
in
that's
America,
not an official one.
So it's not an official sanctioned sangria.
Oh, you made a fake sangria.
Because for your point that triple sec isn't made in Spain and exceeds 12%.
So it fails 2 of the 3 keys.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
It was a sangria in disguise.
Pretend sangria. What did you make, Dad?
I made it with Rioja.
He cheated.
Spanish?
Any questions?
We're ready to order. We're at the boathouse, ready to order. Look at the size of the big potato.
I've never had a potato so big in my life.
It's huge! We've got sliders over here.
Yep, yummy.
God, oh my god. What are you doing?
Taking the sharp pointy thing off your mum.
Before I do myself an injury.
Did you just try to suck up through the stick? Did you enjoy your meal?
It was very nice.
Do you enjoy your meal, Daddy? Jake, Holly, did you enjoy your meal?
Yes.
Yeah? Jack? Yummy? You all seem very unimpressed about your meals. I thoroughly enjoyed mine. And I've had 2 cocktails and shipwreck. Shipwreck is better because there's more of it. There's a lot more of this one.
So how do you do it?
The rain is coming. We can see it falling under those big grey clouds. It's not falling here yet, but it is thunder and lightning. Very, very frightening over there. And that's where we're headed. We're going back to Animal Kingdom to experience Pandora at night. We were just at the boathouse, I don't know if I said that or not, for dinner, which was very, very nice. And yeah, now we're gonna go and get wet. It's gonna start raining, isn't it? Cue the thunder. Back to Animal Kingdom we go.